really need to fix that oil leak. Alright, so apparently we have rain on the way, starting tomorrow and heading through the weekend. So I need to get this done fast. What's my plan today? I'm gonna be doing a cam swap on this engine. Recently I came across a Mazdaspeed intake cam. So what I'm gonna do is swap out my current intake cam with that cam. And what that's gonna do is it offers a little longer duration and a little more lift. There's another common mod it's called the X intake mod, and it's where you take an exhaust cam and modify it to fit in your intake spot. It's supposed to be a little more aggressive of lift and duration, but I was able to source out this Mazdaspeed cam for about the same price as if I got the exhaust cam. So I figured, why not go for it? And also it drops straight in. I don't have to worry about modifying the camshaft at all. All I have to do is check valve lash. It really shouldn't be that much different than the cam I'm currently running, so hopefully it doesn't really change the lash too much. And that's something I should be checking anyway, considering I've never checked it, but the car does run fine right now for the most part. So if I can get this done pretty quick, get it back together before tonight, and see how it goes. Let's get started. I pulled out this cam, and what I did was I lubed it up and I wrapped it in saran wrap to kind of keep it from getting any sort of rust or anything on it. So yeah, I'm gonna pull this out of the wrapping, clean it up a little bit, and once I get that other one pulled out, you do need a inch-pound torque wrench. I borrowed this one from my buddy Luis. Thanks again. So now you want to loosen the valve cover in sequence. I've checked a few times, and basically you want to go in a spiral. So for loosening, I believe it's like this, and you go around and go again, and you want to loosen it in stages. You don't want to just pop off one bolt and keep going. So you want to slowly loosen it in stages. I'll probably put the loosening sequence on the screen. There we go. The gasket was stuck. So you definitely want to keep all this stuff clean. There's going to be some residual, or there should be some residual silicone in the corners of these caps. So you're going to want to clean that off with a plastic scraper and reapply before sealing this back up. And whatever you do, you really don't want to have anything fall in to your into here, so be careful with debris. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is removing these caps, and you're supposed to do them in a very specific order. Again, I'll put it up on the screen. You should definitely also check your service manual just to verify. There is the factory service manual available online. I'll link that in the description below. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set timing to top dead center and check the lash. I'm going to hopefully confirm that that's good, and then I'm going to start removing this stuff so I can swap in that new cam. Okay. So now you can see that I have, maybe you can't see, the I and the E are lined up. And from another video I watched, this guy had said that you want the cam lobes facing directly opposite each other, which it looks like that's what they are. So now I can check the lash on some of these. With the way it is right now, I can check the valve lash on these two and these two, but I need to turn it a complete turn to make it so that I can check this one, or these two and these two, because those are currently coming in contact. I did have to do a quick Harbor Freight run because I really needed to get this tensioner spring off. I'm trying to do it without removing the cover. It was a little tight, but yeah, there we go. It's definitely probably easier to take all that stuff off, the belts and everything, but I didn't want to take the belts off. So now that that's loose, I can pull the belt off. I'm gonna undo the cam caps now. And we're gonna start from the back. And basically what's gonna happen is we're gonna go short turns here, 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 until you get to the center. And then same thing again. So we're gonna So I got all the caps off. I'm about to pull the cam out. And funny story, I actually was trying to use a screw to get the seal out, and I ended up dropping the screw in front, down between the covers. So now I got to pull that all off to get it out, which is what I was trying to avoid doing. So now we have the old cam, which goes this way. Yeah, it says BP on it. I don't know if you can see on there, but it says 5A. That 5A is for the BP 5A, which is the Mazdaspeed engine. Oh, that one also says BP on the other side. Oh, 4W. We'll get this one dropped in, start putting everything back together. Alright, it's in. We're done. Just kidding. There's already oil in there, but I am going to go ahead and, yeah, there's plenty of oil in there already, but a little more won't hurt. Alright, let's put the caps back on. All the caps back on. I'm going to hand tighten them, and then I'm going to torque them. I finished torquing all the cam caps. Now I'm going to install the cam seal. I 3D printed this cam seal installer. I'm calling it a night. It looks like my front crank seal is leaking, so I'm going to inspect that and go get one tomorrow if it is leaking and get that replaced, because I have had a little bit more of an oil leak lately and that might be it. It didn't go as planned, but that's okay. So till tomorrow. All right, it's the next day. I came out right now to check it out and it's pretty wet down there. I'm gonna go grab a seal. I'm gonna come back and pull that off, put the seal back in, and get this thing back together. All right, so pull the belt off and, hold on, where's that? As you can see, there's oil behind it on the bottom. That should be the crank seal. Why else would it be gathering under there? So I'm gonna get this sprocket pulled out and the seal replaced and get back to it. So I got the sprocket off. Make sure not to lose that key. I kept it in the same orientation also. And I'm gonna clean it up and get it pulled out and get it swapped out. Well, that's about it for this video. I got rained out, but the engine is back together and it's running. I don't have the bottom cover on and it's getting wet all underneath, so I'm probably gonna not put it on. I'll put it on later, and also take it for a test drive. But yeah, for now the engine is running, the cam's in, timing set, fired right up. That was great. I was kind of nervous about it because, you know, whenever you're playing with timing, there's always the chance that it's not going to start, or it'll start and it'll run rough. But yeah, timing was good. Cam's fine. Yeah, I can't wait to get this thing on the road and get it driving. I gotta get the wheels back on and the plastic cover on, but other than that, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.